Hello, Steve Bannister with CW Hayden. I'd like to introduce you all today to a great starter kit for introducing 5S into your facility or enhancing if you already utilize 5S in your facilities for a variety of different applications depending on the color code you need for a certain area of concern, whether it's lane marking, fire safety, fire extinguishers, a variety of other applications contained right here in one box, so you can evaluate the product, get it in practical use, and make sure it's a good fit for you. This particular kit is available from us at CW Hayden. Just give us a call and we can help you out with the price and lead time on these to get you started and again, or enhance your 5S programs in your facilities. 5S. What is 5S? 5S is a structured program to implement workplace organization and standardization. 5S represents 5 disciplines of maintaining a visual workspace. So that's what this kit is going to help you do very easily. You may not use every color here designated in this particular starter kit, but there are a variety of choices that you can utilize here in your facility. What are the 5 S's? 5 S's are, number 1 is sort. You want to remove what is not needed and keep what is needed. Number 2, set in order. Arrange these essential items in order for easy access from the most utilized to the least utilized, top to bottom. You know how your company operates and how to fit those in the proper standardization or operation. Keep your day going. Shine, keep things clean, tidy, no trash. These tapes give you the visual aid that you know if there's something lying on the floor, you can pick it up, throw it away. So it really does assist in keeping you safer and much cleaner. Number 4 is standardization. Establish standards and guidelines to maintain a clean workspace. Makes things always run much more smoothly when you can get from point A to point B without walking in a zigzag. Number 5 is sustain. Make 5S a habit. Train others how to use the 5S or maintain the established 5S protocols that you have for your company. The benefits of 5S: it makes your workplace more pleasant, improves work efficiency, and it improves safety. Goes hand in hand with demarking all these areas of concern, walkways, things like that. It leads to better customer satisfaction and higher productivity when you have your customers in your facility, or you're having visitors, or your everyday workers are much more likely to stay engaged in the program and maintain the 5S once it's implemented. Now I'd like to go over the contents of the box of your starter kit, plus 1. And the plus 1 is 3M's. It's a fairly new product, highly engineered lane marking product, number 971. This product is extremely durable and very easy to apply, and it lasts forever. It actually has a beveled on and off for traffic of forklifts and hand trucks, two-wheelers, anything that you have in your shipping area that you might need to get on and off, or even over the area. So that's very unique to lane marking is the number 971 from 3M. One very unique characteristic of the 3M 971 lane marking tape is it has a unique polylactic acid backing. The key ingredient for the 971 adhesive system is environmentally conscious plant-based material versus traditional petroleum-based products in making the vinyl tapes. So that it's very thick. This backing provides top-tier durability and you use less fossil fuel. So I know a lot of facilities are very conscious of any of these products that can come in that are using less fossil fuels is a great benefit, and this is one of those. So please give us a shout. Let us know if you have any interest in these. We get you some samples. 3M 971. All right, now for the meat of the starter pack. These are all 3M 471 vinyl tapes. They are extremely versatile. They've been in the 3M product line for a long time, and they have extremely vibrant colors. They don't fade. You can abrade them, roll over them numerous times, and they won't discolor or fade away on you. They may wear out if you're running them over with a forklift. However, this would happen. However, clean and dry, put them down. There are some videos, links that we will attach to this that you can use for further information on it. And then let me go over what the various colors can be used for. These are suggestions for the variety of colors that you see here in your pack. Yellow, it would be aisles, walkways, traffic lanes, work cells, and they're very abundant in most workplaces, the yellow lines around the shop. Orange, typically they're used for material inspection, and again, it helps you keep better organized, safer, cleaner. Whenever you mark these areas off, it's much easier to keep it maintained, especially getting all the dirt out of the way and keeping a clean workspace. Red is safety, of course, defects, scrap, red tag areas, and possibly some others. Wherever you don't want your workers to be, or there's a concern, it's typically demarked by a red marker, and this is a great opportunity for that too. Green usually are like finished goods, the area that's already wrapped and ready to go to hit the back of the truck and get out of the building, that type of thing. Blues are raw materials, pre-manufacturing storage areas, that type of thing. Black are materials in process, where you got to keep it moving through the line and get your product finished out the door. The black and yellow areas are usually potential high-risk areas where you need extra caution. Your employees, either only certain employees can be in that area, or you want to make sure that it's an area of caution and you have that marked off properly. And the black and white, you have to be out of the operational process. So if there's something that was in process, all of a sudden you found a defect on there, or defect has it in a holding area until it can be either rectified or looked at again, is the black and white. So very versatile box, a lot of opportunity to help get your plant, your facilities organized, clean, more safe, and again, please call us here at CW Hayden. These starter packs are available. The information from this video for a couple of YouTube links to see how the tape is applied from a 3M perspective. And then, of course, you can get any one of these products individually. Call us for price and availability, and we're here to help you out. Thanks.